video, this ride you'll see on Friday, and that's what we're doing right now. So please give this ride a like real quick. It's free to do. It won't take much time at all. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Share my video with your social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. If you guys do those things for me, I'd really appreciate it. Now let's go ride. It's still windy out today. Not bad. It's kind of nice out, considering we're at, like, coming up on winter. We're at the end of fall, so it's nice to still have this nice weather out. That dude just went left on red. Dang, that dude just went left on red too. Bro, what are y'all doing? I swear some of these people in this state don't know how to drive. More like most of these people don't know how to drive. Like, if you don't know how to drive, bro, just don't get a license. Simple as that. You'll save somebody else's life by doing yourself a favor and not get a license. I'm not trying to be a freaking a-hole, but you know, it is what it is. That's why, guys, whenever you ride, you gotta be 360 at all times. No, it's not bad out today, to be honest. It's actually pretty nice. It's like 74, 75, so it's still pretty nice out. So this is what I'm doing. I'm recording Friday's ride right now. And then I'm going to record 2 or 3 more rides and the fast drive ride. I counted the rides on the fast drive. We got 15 of them on there that we posted when it gets too cold where we can't ride no more. That's when I'll start posting. So that's 15 days of content I got ahead of ourselves. That's not included what I'm still working on. That's just extra. We're gonna bust a ride right here. We're gonna go somewhere completely different today for Friday. And this video for Friday is gonna be also a little longer. Look at that dude. What are you doing, man? Not only it's a no pass zone, I'm on a bike, freaking dumbass. Golly, some of these people don't know how to drive. Sad. Couldn't wait for me to turn right. Obviously, if I was a car, you'd be waiting. Well, guess what, my friend? You're going on YouTube. And I might even make a short video of you too. And those short videos get a lot of views. Hopefully one day our long form content will get views like our short videos do, but until then, I I got my fat camera on. Man. I got the GoPro on. You want to be stupid too? Or you want to drive smart? I'll put you on YouTube too. You going left? Alright, cool. Just getting on my butt a little. Who else wants to go on YouTube? You want to go on YouTube, bro? You want me to expose you for driving like idiots? How about you? You want me to expose you? That's my Honda though, I like it. I got a Honda myself. I like Hondas. What I want is a Dodge Charger, a Hellcat, Red Eye, SRT. That's the car I want. Okay, let's go down. What is this? The road is in a whole different color. I'm not sure it's oil or what, but there we go. I don't think it was oil. I think it's just the road itself won't change color, but still, that's the process. Let's see here. What are we doing for Friday, guys? Should we get out on the main road for a good bit? I don't even know if I want to get on the main road after what that one dude behind us did. Like, come on. I don't know if it's a sign to say stay on the back road or what, but people like those people that have no common sense. For all I know, that could do could have been on his phone and saw me at the last second and with that, you know? I don't know. I'll tell you what, if I see a biker going right, turning right, I'm not passing him, I'll wait until he turns right. Respect, kind of thing, you know? And I'll see it, you're turning right, you know, what else am I going to do? What if he was in the car? I'm not going around the car like that, come on. So just because somebody's on a bike and you got the room to go around them, you still shouldn't do that. What if that biker changes his mind? What if he's like, oh snap, I need to go straight in? Go straight, you know? What if he made the wrong turn? What if the biker messed up, you know? What if that was the biker's fault? He said, oh, I need to continue going straight. See, this dude's trying to speed up past me. Look at this dude. Go right. And guess what? Now I'm going to get your face and put you on YouTube. I don't want to get next to this dude. I'm just going to slow down. Hopefully this light turns yellow before we go. I'm going to slow down. Let that dude get ahead of me. But yeah, we're going to get on the main road for a little bit. straight a little bit. Let's see how long we're recording for, guys. Like I said, this ride is gonna be a little longer. It's already 10 minutes, perfect. We're gonna do a little longer ride for Friday, and I'm still gonna get our flash drive rides done. Bike handlebars like you got the death grip. Now, buddy, I'm not sure if he was being sarcastic or funny, but one, if it looks like I'm gripping my handlebars, it's probably just because I got gloves on, and when you grip, you know, that's how it looks with gloves. But I also used to ride motocross for a good portion of my life. So if ever it looks like I'm gripping my handlebars, maybe I am, but that's just because I used to do motocross, and when you ride a dirt bike and you do motocross, you gotta grip your handlebars. And even if you grip your handlebars on the street, you're just doing it for traction. If you're a real rider and you've been riding for a while, if you see somebody gripping their handlebars, it's just because they're doing it for traction or have experience in riding, you know. So if you are watching this video, man, that's why I grip my handlebars. It's nothing bad. It's nothing bad. It's just I used to ride motocross, and I'm an experienced rider, and yeah. Right, I'm gonna make this video a decent minute for you guys. Friday, it's gonna be a decent video. What time? 15 minutes? Is that 12 minutes? I'm gonna take it 15 minutes. I'm gonna make it like 20 minutes, so like 5 more minutes of riding, and then I'm gonna get started on these flash drive rides for you guys. So when the cold weather rolls in, guys, look at that sunset. So pretty. The sky is actually gorgeous today. What time is it? I'm gonna be out for a minute today, I already know it. Like I said, I'm making this ride longer than usual. And actually, we're gonna bust, this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna bust a ride. We're gonna go through this neighborhood right here. We're gonna end the ride somewhere in this neighborhood. It's still a decent ride, don't get me wrong. You guys got a decent ride. We're gonna end the ride somewhere in this neighborhood. Right here, right about now. Let's see here. So we're gonna end this ride. This ride will be posted Friday for you guys. So 17 minutes, that's perfect. That's a decent ride. So anyways, yeah guys, this ride will be posted tomorrow on Friday for you guys. I hope you all had a great Friday, and yeah, I hope you guys didn't mind my little lecture in the ride, but you know, I had to say what I had to say, you know, get it off my chest. But anyway, you guys are amazing. Thank you all, 1,220 of you guys, I believe we got. All of you guys, awesome subscribers out there, all of the awesome subscribers out there, all the powerful subscribers out there. You guys are truly amazing. And I'm gonna get started on another ride. I'm probably gonna record 3 more rides today, and those 3 will be going on the fast drive. So that means the total of rides on the fast drive we'll have is 18 rides. Look at this guy. Look at that scooter. I see those scooters everywhere. I'm telling you, they're everywhere. But anyways, guys, yeah, thank you so much for the support. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.